Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In this tutorial we will discuss that how we can create Instagram reel template. So log in your Canva account and go to all templates, and then you need to go to select social media, and here you need to select Instagram reel. Here you can see different kinds of reels, Instagram reels, in the shape of videos of different design. So I want to select a free video. This is a pro version and this is free, so I want to select it, customize this template. This is the template. When you play it, click on play, so it will start working. You can see that this is the Instagram reel video. I want to change it, so I click on it and it is playing. You can see that this is the Instagram story reel, Instagram reel. I want to change in the text and the background of this reel, so select it. First of all, you can change its text, and you can add the text of your own choice. For example, click here, go to text, add this kind of text, and you can change this text. So delete the previous text, and you can change the color of this text also. Click on it, change its color, click on it, change its color. So its color is now changed. You can change its different things. If you want to change its background, so I want to upload the background of my own choice. This is my own background and I want to select it. So you can see that its background is now changed and its text is also changed, and you can see you can add or delete things like this. You can make its text greater and its font size, its color, everything. So this is my story, huge sale, and I want to click on it. It is now playing. As you can see that this is my Instagram reel. So you need to just click on share and download this reel, and it is now being downloaded. In this way you can create different kinds of Instagram reels. So thank you so much for watching this video.